All right, let's expand and simplify this expression that we have here. So first, I want to expand. So I start off by multiplying the 3s to all the terms inside the set of brackets. So first, 3s times 2s is 6s squared. 3s times negative t would be negative 3st. And 3s times negative 1 would be negative 3s. And then I want to multiply the 2 to all the terms inside this set of brackets. So first 2 times st, so plus 2st. 2 times 4s, so plus 8s. And 2 times 5 is just 10. Alright, and let's find all the like terms and group them together. First off, I see a s squared term, and I notice that this is the only s squared term that we have. So the 6s squared will stay the same. And then I see the st term. I have a negative 3st and a positive 2st. So putting them together would be negative 1, so negative st. And then I see the s terms. I have a negative 3s and a positive 8s. So together that would be positive 5st. And the 10 will stay the same, plus 10. And that's it.